Hey, good to see you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, of course, and subscribing and whatnot. This video, it's going to pertain mostly to Nowsite AI Technology. I signed up maybe a week ago. If you're in LiveGood and you watch my videos regularly, you know that I like to automate as much as I can. I'm a big fan of Nowsite because, well, let me just show you why in just a few seconds. But the first thing I want to do is just show you a code. So if you are interested in AI technology, we can get you a discount. I've been on a Zoom, I guess you'd call it a call, with this company, and they still honor a code. So let me move my face over the screen. All right. If you want a membership to Now AI, all right, if you click the link below this video, this will go to right here. I'll just highlight it. Okay. If you click it, it's my affiliate link. I do make a couple bucks off it. I'm not going to go buy a Lamborghini, but if you buy me a hamburger, I sure appreciate it. But if you want to join, you have to join, under an affiliate. So if you join underneath me, I will be happy. So anyway, you click this link and you're going to get to a page. And when you sign up, remember this right here. Just freeze this video, write this down with pen and ink. There's a promo code when you go to pay. Right now, you've got to get the unlimited package in order to make, kind of LiveGood and Nowsite do what it's going to do. Because you want leads and you want a crazy amount of leads. And if it's unlimited, that's a good thing. If it's $100, if it's 99 bucks a month, check this out. Put code 49. When you go to pay, it says promo code. Put in 49. It's only 49 bucks a month. They're wiping out 50 bucks a month to help you. You'll get excited about this company. And hopefully when I show you what to use this software for, you'll see that the 49 bucks is probably pretty darn worth it, especially when it's normally 99 a month. Now, if you want to buy this software for the whole year and save 494 bucks, you just put in code 490 and they'll take 60% off the entire year. So that's awesome. Now, obviously, it's going to take a few $100 bills, but if you want to go ahead and buy it off for the year, dang, you're saving almost 500 bucks. That's really awesome. So anyway, I don't know if this ends tonight. Okay. All you can do is just put in promo 49. And if it instantly switches to $49 a month, then it's still active. So if you want this website or this technology, please just, as my dad would say, sheet or get off the pot, because I don't know when this code is not valid anymore. And it goes back to 99 a month. So anyway, I want to show you something real quick. And these are for my friends or buddies that already have this Nowsite technology. Now, if you're just watching my video and you don't know what it is, it's software that can make you messages, text messages. It can make you websites. It can answer questions. It can give you advice on keywords. It can do a lot of stuff to help you market, okay? I use this to get an insane amount of leads. Leads are people that might want to do this business, okay? They might want to be an affiliate and make some extra money at home. They might love making thousands of dollars or $10,000 a month like some people already are. It's really up to you. There's a whole bunch of opportunities with LiveGood, and we'll go over that another time. But if you're looking for people that want to buy the products, or if they want to go ahead and be an affiliate and earn money with LiveGood, which is probably 99% of people that need this website, or do you want a combo? Do you want people that work it as a business like me, and you buy the products as well because they kick ass? All right, that's kind of a double win, isn't it? All right. If you're looking at my screen, I've got about 1,374 contacts already, and I've only had this software for about a week, okay? These contacts, they are targeted to the best of my ability to tell them about LiveGood, what we do, and what the opportunity is. And what the AI software does is it targets exactly where I want it to go, which could be Los Angeles, could be Fiji, Singapore, Japan. I love the Asian countries. They love doing this type of business. But then you can make money in Iowa, Hawaii, or maybe up in Alaska. there's some Eskimos kicking back needing these products or needing to earn some extra money. But use this technology to reach the world. Just because you live in America or France, just don't go to your little neck of the woods. Stretch out. You'll reach someone 6,000 miles away. Okay, this is how you do it. Now, this is if you're already set up, or I want to show you, if you don't have this software, how exciting it is to get leads that are fresh daily. Okay, see this pretty girl right here? Right here it says get prospect. Hi, Corey, get a prospect. Okay, I've already filled out information about LiveGood and who I want, when I want, blah, 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 blah. You're going to do the same thing and it's easy. I got Tiffany Mulligan. Tiffany, she's a female, she's passionate, and she's awesome. And you know what? If I push this launch sales button, I can email her, get a hold of her on Facebook, LinkedIn, I can messenger. If she has Messenger turned on and she wants messages, we can get a hold of her anywhere from 3 to 5 ways. Okay, I don't get a hold of Tiffany now. What I want is about 100 to 200 fresh leads a day. I want more than that, but it comes down to how much life and how much time and how much patience you have to do what I'm going to show you. Okay, right now I'm going to hit the X button. See this in the middle where it says Scott Smith? Tiffany is now saved right here. It's like I wrote her name and all of her contact information down. See that button right by the girl here again? It says Get Prospect. I'm going to click it again. I got one person that's going to get a really cool email from me. Now, is it Mazael Gomez? All right, sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and hit the X button. I just got his entire information. Now, you didn't see it because I didn't hit View Contact because it opens up all his information on how to get a hold of him. Okay, I'm going to hit Get Prospect again. Literally, I can get about 4 to 5 per minute. Okay, there's Jill. Hit the X. I just got her entire information. Okay, let's just wait 5 seconds. Let's go ahead and hit Get Prospect again. And I'll tell you why you got to do it by hand because it made sense. Okay, there's Savaz, Sirixi. All right, good person, X. All right, I've got all of their information. Hit Get Prospect again. I sit here literally listening to Van Halen, Kiss. I might even dare have a movie on to the side of my screen. Okay, there's Chris Valpo. Chris, welcome. What I do is I collect 1 to 2 to 300 leads a day. Why don't I go over that? Because right now with Gmail, it's kind of risky to send over 2 to 500 emails a day. Now you can do it, but if it's a brand new Gmail account, you want to warm it up a little bit. Now with this software, you configure it with a Gmail account, okay? This software, with my package, I can do 1,000 emails a day, 30,000 emails a month for no additional cost. The AI software is like, Corey, if you got 30,000 emails and you got a handful of messages, where and when, buddy? I'm ready to go 24 hours a day. I can actually automate it. So just envision this, because like I said, this isn't really a tutorial video. This is just kind of like, it's like seeing a Corvette and the salesman gets in and burns out a little bit and shows off. Then he comes back and goes, now, wouldn't you like to do this? Okay. So what you do is you hit generate a lead, wait 5 seconds, hit the X button. You've got that person. You go back and hit the launch button. It gets you another fresh person that will probably be interested in this opportunity. Click the X button, hit launch again. Sit there for minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If you've got an hour to kill, sit and just get prospects that then turn into contacts. Okay? A prospect is when you put in all this information to the AI software and it goes through the whole world, or Los Angeles, maybe Miami, maybe Billings, Montana, or maybe go all the way across the ocean to our friends in Australia. Okay? Just click the button, it'll find someone and hit the letter X and just do that hundreds of times. Okay? You're going to eventually have all those people in a folder. Then what you do is you attach either an email message, a LinkedIn message, or a messenger message, or this company for 99 bucks a month, although they're offering it for 49 right now, you get your own so-called cell phone number and you can text 1,000 people a month, which is awesome. It's all built in. It doesn't cost you anything. So, what are your chances of just inviting people to watch a 6-minute video of Ben, our CEO, chat about the opportunity? These are people that are in MLM, they're affiliate marketers, they love health and nutrition. How do I know this? Because that's exactly what I told the AI software to go get, is people that are surrounded in this already, okay? I think they're going to dig this LiveGood opportunity. So, for an hour, I get up, make myself a bowl of Raisin Bran or maybe some coffee. I got my Val cup. My best friend Val, she gave me this and I love it. So while I'm drinking coffee, I just hit launch. 5 seconds later, I've got somebody that's a targeted lead. I hit the X and then I hit launch again. Pops up on the screen. I get rid of it. Boom. I just go back and forth 100 times. That's 100 fresh people. Okay. Then you go back, I don't know, maybe have a sandwich or take a shower or go whatever you got to do. If you have a job or maybe you're a mom and the kids are off work, no matter what, you go back, get yourself a badass little email, same email. You know, you could use it every day. A nice little email that's only like 100 words long, something real short and sweet. And you just go ahead and put that email in a message. And then all those fresh people that you just got, like let's say for the day, let's say there's 200, send that one email to all 200. Now, over a period of time, when you start doing this for weeks and weeks and weeks, Gmail will realize that you're not a spammer, you're a real person. There won't be a lot of kickbacks or complaints. Gmail will eventually let you get up to 500 emails a day without pissing them off. Okay? I've had some email addresses well over 5 to 10 years. They're already warmed up. Okay? But if you have a brand new email with this, you know, let's just say I opened up livegoodcorey@gmail.com and it's new. It's new. Gmail knows it's new. And if you just start blasting 500 emails the very first day that you get it, it's going to look spammy, okay? So you got to have restraint, because usually when you're in a business like this, your number one problem is leads and who to send this opportunity to. How many doors do I got to knock on? How many business cards do I got to hand out? How many stupid TikTok videos do I got to make? How many Facebook posts do I have to do? How many YouTube videos like this do I have to make? All right? It's a lot of work, isn't it? But if you have this software, you can simply enter in things. It'll go find people that probably are interested in this. And then just for an hour a day, 2 hours a day. I mean, if you want crazy money, 3 hours a day. I'm excited. I love doing this. Even if you only got a half hour a day. You know how many times you can go launch, 5 seconds, X. Launch, 5 seconds, X. You can pretty easily do 4 to 5 to 6 people. Let's just say 4 people a minute. Okay? I recommend just get yourself 100 a day. Just be, get serious about this. LiveGood is brand new. Now is the time to take action. So get yourself a bunch of contacts and then send them an email. If you want to send them a text, go ahead. If you want to get a hold of them in Messenger, go ahead. If you want to get a hold of them on LinkedIn, do the best you can. All it is a simple message, and all of this is public, okay? You're not going to contact anyone that's pissed off saying, how'd you get my number? Because this AI software, it does have etiquette. It's not going to get private information, like when's your birthday, social security number, how many arrests do you have? There is software for that. But this company is awesome, and they told me what they're going to do in the future. This company's just getting started. They were founded in 2017. During COVID, they kind of had a meeting, come to Jesus thing, and said, you know what? We need to think bigger with chat, GP, TP, GB, DB, and the whole world going to AI. Let's go ahead and blow everyone out of the water with what we can do for one flat price. There's one package that's $40, and there's one that's unlimited. I recommend you do the best you can to afford $99 a month. I know that's a lot of money. To some people, it's not. But to a lot of people, it's like, damn, that's like a cell phone each month. And, but I just recommend give it a month, get some results. And if you're making way over $100 a month using it, I think you'll go, okay, this is definitely worth it. Especially if you start making $500 a month, $1,000 a month. If you can get your downline on fire, you can start going, okay, look, we all need probably this Nowsite AI technology. No matter what, we're going to run out of ideas for posting. We're going to get sick and tired of posting. It's hard to TikTok and rock. It's hard to post every day. I with my other businesses and for fun, I post about 20 times a day, and it's tiring. And you can watch the great Gary Vee and all the other so-called gurus out there. It's all about content. Make the best you can and make as much as you can and try to keep up with the Joneses. But with the click of a button, you can get yourself conveniently about 1 to 200 leads a day. Put some time and effort into this. It's up to the boredom factor, really. It's not really that hard to, hit launch, X button, hit launch, X button. Okay. But if you start making money, I think if you're going to watch TV off to the right of your screen, or you're going to listen to some music on YouTube, you might as well go ahead and get yourself some badass leads. Because, man, nothing's more frustrating than making posts, making YouTube videos, and wait and wait and wait. And you might get views, but no signups. That's why I post so much. There's power in numbers. I know if I make 600 to 1,000 videos, which I enjoy doing, I'm a maniac, I know that I'm going to have a better response if I just keep consistent and kind of talk to you guys about stuff. I figure sooner or later you might make a decision and want to do the Live Good thing. And if you don't, no big deal. And if you use Nowsite to generate leads for selling cars, selling real estate, man, there's some cool things this thing does. There's no way a human can possibly do what I just learned on a Zoom meeting with this young kid. And I think he was up in Canada, he said. And I can't pronounce his name. I forgot it. But anyway, Linda helped me. So thank you, Linda, if you watch the replay of this. And my buddy up in Canada, I appreciate your time on the Zoom call. So I don't know what else to say, except I do have a code for you. If you want to do this, all you can do is trust that in my best, because I hate to tell people to spend money. I love LiveGood because you can be successful for $40. That's the one-time fee to be an affiliate. The membership to buy badass products is only $9.95 a month. It's super affordable. But all I can say is if you can afford $99 a month, I think this is something you should do for a few months and churn and get good at writing simple little emails, little text messages. If you don't know how to do it, this company will do it for you. It'll write humor. It will be serious. You tell it and it will do it. And if you like what it does, then use it. If you like the email they wrote for you, 70% of it, and then put your own little, Wang Chung on it, then do it. If you need websites built, all you do is just say, build me a website with LiveGood. It'll get pictures, links. It'll do all this fancy stuff. I had them build me 3 just for fun. And they're all 3 awesome. I don't need the websites, but they're just fun to have as if, what the hell, I might need one, So I guess I've become somehow a fan and a am I a spokesmodel? I'm somehow a groupie for Nowsite, but I'm tickled pink. I'm glad Rob and Nick, they're in a group that I signed up with, and they're good dudes, man. And I'm glad that they recommended this software because the more I use it and get to know it, it really is an amazing thing. So, okay, if you watch this video long enough, at the bottom of the video is it's just simply a link. Please use code 49 and they'll give you $49 a month versus $99. Okay. And if you want to pay for it the year and save $500, just enter a code 490 and you'll see it at the bottom. I know when you watch a video, you kind of just breeze over stuff, but I put the information below this video as well. So, right on. I'm a Nowsite groupie. I love LiveGood. It's like live good, feel good. And now I got to come up with a slogan for Nowsite. So, okay, that's enough. That's enough bull crap. This video, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I just wanted to post about Nowsite. I was pretty excited. Okay, thanks. Here's another video right after this.